Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of CSIRNet 2019, which is of real analysis. So our question is, if sequence an and greater than equals to 1 is a bounded sequence of real number, then which of the following is true? So this is the question based on statement. So we will take an example and discard an option one by one. So taking first option, every subsequence of an and greater than equals to 1 is convergent. Here this is bounded sequence and it is said that every subsequence of an, that is bounded sequence, is convergent. So if we take the bounded sequence an, which is equals to minus 1 to the power n. So the sequence is bounded, and if we take the subsequence of this, if we take, let the subsequence be 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, and so on. Here we see that the sequence this is not convergent. This is a subsequence of the sequence, but this sequence is not convergent. So our option A is the incorrect option. Now second option, there is exactly one subsequence of which is convergent. By taking this example only, we will take two sequence. An is equals to 1 1 1 1 and so on 1, and second sequence this. So we can find more than one sequence which is subsequence of the sequence which is convergent. So this option say exactly one, so this option also wrong. There are infinitely many subsequences which are convergent. Yes, if we take this example, sequence an is equals to 1 upon n. This is also a bounded sequence and each subsequence of an is convergent. So there is infinitely much subsequence. If we take the subsequence of an, a of 2n is equals to 1 upon 2n, and if we take a subsequence a of 2n plus 1, that is 1 upon 3n, then there is also what, 2n plus 1. This is also convergent. So if we take infinite many subsequence of this convergent sequence that is bonded also, then it is also true. There exists a subsequence, so option this is also true. So our option C and D is correct, and option A and B are wrong. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.